All right, it's about that time again. It's midweek. Well, technically, yeah, but day three, rush attack, 3 star, new nature. So, all right. So let's be serious now. If I could do that, let's take a look at how our defense is doing. It's a B. Okay, so what percentage? I always forget to do this. Well, obviously, I mean, I don't have to do that to see it's 50%, but it's just kind of like, ooh. Well, that's the way I think in my head. All right, so let's begin. All right, well, this is not too bad. I don't really want to go yellows because he punishes yellows. See, look at that. Enemies hit get minus 24% mana generation for 3 turns against holy characters. This status effects becomes uncleansable and lasts 2 turns longer. Okay, so that's both characters, and that gives him that would be what is that 60% chance of hitting one of my holy heroes. Let's minimize that. So wait, let's go. You know what? We haven't given the red characters a chance to really do much of anything. So let's go with Sudri. Let's use Buster. Man, to be honest, he's the most jacked up character there is. Look at that. He's That's probably how he's gonna look on his deathbed. I know, kind of grim, huh? All right, let's see here. And who have I not used? Actually, there's a lot of. See, the problem with the fire, there's just so many slow heroes in there, so they don't get utilized as often. Um, let's go. That's why you can see most of them I haven't put emblems on. I mean, look, even all the ones I have here are slow. Um, mm, I kind of want to go with the boosted healer. Let me see what we got going on here. It's not as necessary. So we'll just to be on the safe side, we'll go with this one. Now, I think we have all attack troops. No, let's go with this one. All right. Let's see if I made the right decision. Because you know what starts happening later in the game. They just start. Okay. I think it's safe to pop that red diamond. Although, if I do that, now that I'm thinking, I have Sudri and his attack is gonna be weak if I get rid of all the reds. He's gonna do virtually nothing. Well, here's the thing too. If I don't use them, it's too many moves to get another hero powered up because I don't really have my blues and my darks tiles. Well, technically they're shields. Okay. I'm probably gonna be able to kill. What's his name again? Bajorn. Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. Or should I? No, let's go here in the middle. I kind of wonder if I should try to see if I get some blues up before I use Sudri. Let's give it a shot. Did I say blues? I meant reds. Okay. All right, that was a good call. Should I try again? I don't really want to do this blue diamond because he'll heal this creature of the lagoon. Yes. Yeah, then still I do it anyway. Oh, Mr. Brand, why are you gonna say something when you're gonna do it anyway? Alright, this one's looking good. Alright. So let's... Oh, Bane. You know what? I have yet to level up any of their costumes for the season 1 heroes. They're tune costumes, but they're pretty tanky. They're like indestructible creatures, and I think I need to lower my pride and just level them up. It's honestly in protest of what they've been doing to this game, and that's the main reason why I don't want to level them up. And besides, I think they're pretty stupid looking. But I guess I have to consider where the game is heading, and maybe I need to start boosting my heroes up. Okay, so let's see here. We're gonna need a cleanse. Let's see here. Wait. Yellows, no blues. All right. We're gonna go. Who have I not used yet? Let's go him. I think I might have. We're gonna use that for sure. Well, not that, Hilo. And well, we're gonna need our defense down. And let's go with another red character. You know, you kind of want to see another gameplay for different heroes. That's a big power difference. Oh, wow. Okay, let's see here. Should we add some emblems to him? Where's he at? I think I have plenty of wizard emblems, huh? Okay. This is the thing I really don't like about leveling up the costume. You really have to consider which hero you're going to most likely use, so you have to kind of level them up based on that. So, I think with him, the costume version, I want to go... Well, his defense is weak. I think I'm going to take the right pathway. So let's see here. How will this affect him? Okay, I like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can go on, but I don't really want to just yet. It's looking a little bit better. And then Sudri's at that. Oh, I think these are paladin emblems. I don't really have too many. Okay, let's see. Sword and shield. Now let's look at this side. Heart and sword. I'm more tempted to go to the left pathway. And with this one, wow, I didn't realize the difference of attack. Oh, but that's why. All right, makes sense. Let's just do this. Okay. I think I'm going to use this version. Okay. Okay. Oh, well, I'm not really too stressed out about the tank. She's pretty much not an issue. But this guy is, Jahangir. So we really need to focus on him first. Oh, kind of like that. Let's see here. These blues ought to do it. Now I think I want to go get Trevo going. Or her. What's her name again? Aidan? That doesn't sound... Okay. I think it's time. So... Okay, let's do that. Now let's wait for... Oh, well, she gone. We'll wait for... I can't even pronounce his name. I'm not even gonna try. Woo! I was gonna say, did that do anything? All right. That was the second flag. All right, let's see here. I'm tempted to stack yellows against Trevo, but let's see here. Let's blind them. Let's get a cleanse hero. And let's Oh. You know what? Let's go. Let's kind of change this up a little bit. Let's try. I might be crazy for trying Dawn, but let's give it a shot. And then we'll go with the boosted healer. Alright, let's give her the defense one. Oh, she already has it. And attack. Let me see. This doesn't really seem like enough attacker power. Because, wow, look at that. Our team power is exactly the same. I kind of want to play it this way just for that reason. And watch. Yeah, let's do it. Okay. This is a lot of stuff going on. Wow, she only hit one. So I think with this, I do what? Trevo first. Then... I think we got rid of the main threats. Embarrassing. You got obliterated by owls. Oh, coming back for revenge, aren't you? So now we're gonna go back to blues. I got the blues, blue, 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 blues. You can tell I'm tired. Well, I should be sleeping right now. Okay. So let's just take a look at this again. We're gonna need a boosted healer. I remember the tank. I forget what this kid does. Minions. Regenerates health. They really only have... This is the main threat. Okay. Let's go strong. We go strong and we go hard. I have yet to use him, and we'll use him for the dispel. Okay, so we have we need a cleanse, which we don't really need a cleanse too bad, just boosted health. Then we have stacked against the tank, and a dispel for the two on the left. Okay, this could work. Okay. I gotta play this. Let's see, I don't want to do too much movement right away. I'm going to do... I don't want that yellow... diamond. No, I don't want it. So we're going to move this yellow vertical to hit the blues. And then my second blue match will be this one right here on the far right. Although that's going to create some cascades of yellows. But I think that should be okay. Okay. Alright, that was cool. Now we're going to focus on the left because, I mean, we got rid of the main threat, so we good. So let's do Nordry first. Carl. And then this guy. Okay. We don't even need the healer. It'd just be for aesthetics. Oh, she cleansed it. We're not going to read it, but it's right here under 60% chance to perform the following actions when this character casts her special skill. 60% chance is actually pretty high, but for the AI, it's pretty much 100% guarantee that it will work. Just like Revive. That's going to be the last fish you're going to eat. All right. Let's see what I'm going to do here. I haven't used Kochin yet. Chochin? And then we're going to go... Should I do 2 tree veils to be... you know what? No. Let's give someone else a chance. Oberon. And should we do a secondary healer? Well, it's not necessary. Let's take a look at that again. We'll use him. And let's put someone I haven't used lately or at all. You know what? Let's use the Little Mermaid. Okay, let's see here. Yeah, all right, looking good. Now, how am I going to utilize the darks? They're all not really in a good spot. Okay, let's try this. When I said try this, I didn't actually know what I was going to try. Oh, okay, so wait a minute. I got... Either way, I have 2 purple matches. Let's do this one. See, I don't want it. I'd rather do this purple at the top because I have those. This should bring these red, this purple and red up, and I can have a 3rd purple match. Right? Oh, well. I calculated wrong, but it ended up working in my favor. We're gonna do this. Well, I'm gonna need that blue tile to get a heal and a cleanse. Did he just dodge that? You think you slick? Yawn. All right. Wow. It's a shame I can't do that every day. All right. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you for day 4.